This is a live run through of how I create my property proposals. So I love using Qwilr. So Qwilr's got a template that I've used beforehand. What I really like about it is, for example, so it's these proposals you can put in. It's got this template there, it's got my branding on there, it's got my colors on there. You can put that in, and then when you say share, you get a link that you can email out or text out. The texting is really useful when you can hit people with their private mobile number. The other thing I like about it is, it was a popular one, you can see the analytics. So on my Alice Creek site that I had, we had total, and you can see where they spent their time. So we had 571 people view that property proposal which is awesome. So the latest site that I have is this one in Borey Creek. So I essentially take the information and then I ask ChatGPT to summarize it for me. So I put in everything I know about the site in here, size, where it is, unique selling points, zoning, flooding, bushfire, everything like that. And then it spits out a nice little development summary, which I've taught it to do beforehand. And then a site introduction, which is great. So I can sort of copy and paste that out. Gives a really nice summary. Then I can upload the contract, the executed contract, and then gives a high level summary. So it's got lot and DP numbers, purchase price in there, all the call option, structures, times, and call option fees. So that's just by uploading that to there, which is great. Gives you the size. So that's awesome. Then I can copy and paste and put that into here. What I thought was great. So I've been out there to take some photos. I didn't know when, so I asked Claude to run through my Gmail and see when I likely visited. And this was awesome. So it said, Rex boarding pass on the 9th of April that I flew. There's an email from Nathan saying, I'm meeting the landowners on the 9th of April. So from that, I was able just to go through my camera roll and send those photos on Slack, and then just downloaded and then uploaded them onto here. And usually I can get Jez to do all of this for me. She works in the Philippines and does all of this work really well. But it's nice and early in the office, so I thought I'd do it. And then the next thing that I do is I work with a graphic designer. So I just sent them a Loom video for them to one of those aerial markups, which is this. So I just run through the site on Loom, and then she spits back this. So a couple of changes. I'm going to remove the address. These are around the runway, but it's nice. It's just within branding, and people can see where it is, and it's a nice sort of hero image to put on my IMs. So that'll here and replace this one. This is from an older site that I had. And then once this is all done, which it's almost done, I can say share, change this image preview. Usually I can sort of just change it to a logo, or let's just do a random photo for now. So then when you actually set this live and you share it, that image will come up. So what I like to do is I can go and text a whole lot of my clients and say, look, this is a new site that I have. They can click on the link. Then essentially, once they click on that link, it'll come up like this. It's also nicely formatted. It's got all of the information there. And then they can either click and call me or email me and ask any questions automatically. They can share that as well. Also, what I like about it is if I do make any mistakes on here, I want to update it. What I change on my Qwilr will change automatically on everyone else's proposal. So if I change a date, it automatically upgrades dates on everyone else's side when they're viewing it on their phone or on their computer. So it's a bit better than a PDF, because if you change a date on a PDF or you have to change some information on a PDF, that's there, that's stuck. That's not dynamic, so that can't change. So it's really good from that perspective. And also being able to text it out, see how many views it's had, see when people have viewed it. I think it's really awesome. So anyway, I'll package all of that up and then send that usually on Apollo. Do an email draft to everyone. I'll do some personal emails to everyone. I'll call my client database and then text them through the additional details as well. So yeah, it gives me a really good starting point. That's easy to use. Probably took me 20 minutes this morning. I usually like to get Jez to do it, but yeah, that's how I run through my property proposals. So lots of different tools there. If you have any questions or anything, reach out.